In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become a ClickUp consultant. We'll walk through the process together so you can follow along on your computer and apply to join ClickUp's verified consultant program with confidence. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type the phrase ClickUp Consultant and press Enter. This approach is the quickest way to land on the right page without needing to remember a specific address. In the results, look for the official listing from ClickUp's website that mentions Verified Consultants or Consultants Program. It should clearly be from ClickUp and not an ad or third-party site. Go ahead and click that result to open the dedicated section about their network of approved consultants. Once the page loads, take a moment to scroll and get familiar with it. You'll typically see an overview of what consultants do, how they help clients with workflow and project management, and the benefits of joining the program. Skimming this information helps you understand what ClickUp values and what they might look for during the application, so you can present your experience clearly. When you're ready to move forward, look for the button or link that says Become a Consultant. It's usually highlighted so it stands out. Click it to begin your application. You'll be taken to a form where you can submit your details. This is the most important part of the process, so move through it slowly and carefully. The form usually asks for basic information, such as your name, contact details, your business or agency information if you have one, and your experience with ClickUp or similar tools. Enter accurate, up-to-date information in every field. If there are questions about your background or how you help clients, write clear, concise answers that demonstrate your familiarity with productivity systems and ClickUp itself. It's helpful to have your website, portfolio, or LinkedIn profile ready so you can paste links if requested. Make sure those links work and reflect your most recent projects or services. Before you send anything, scroll back through the form